Hey guys, just a quick note before I get into today's video. I am running a sale on my Etsy store. There's 20% off the entire site. The link will be in the description below, so please check it out. And now on to the painting, which this is a little sneak peek of. Doesn't that look like an eyeball? Hey guys, it's Angela. I am going to do another open cup pour, similar to Olga Sylvie's, and she just did one the other day on, if not the same size canvas, very similar. This is one of my 8x24s, and I mixed up, this is Extreme Sheen Rose Quartz, this is Amsterdam Venetian Rose, this is Amsterdam King's Blue. This one is Amsterdam Napathol Red Medium, and just a touch of the alizarin Crimson that I already had mixed up. This is Titanium White, Oxide Black, and I might put some of the colors I already have mixed up with Floetrol and water in my bottles already. So let's get started. And let's try not to make a giant mess. That was more what I was after. Love this. I don't like this. So part of this has to go. see how it dries. This is a hard one to show the full picture of, but I do like how it came out, so I'm going to take you in for a closer look. I still like this side a whole lot more than the other, but the other side has its merits too. Look at that right there. I think I'll try this out one more time. I think I'm going to touch up this one little spot right here where the gray, it kind of stayed a little gray. Maybe a little bit there. And yeah, this was just a little bit too much of that extreme sheen up here. And I just didn't do my open cup quite right. So a few little touch-ups needed, but I think overall I love it. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.